got that on video. Yes, that was perfect. Look at that thing. Yeah. All right, follow him. We're gonna pull up a little bit more and get off the bridge.
I don't know if there's people coming or not.
Just ease. He's out there. He's out there.
I ain't going there.
Okay, go, go, go. Just go for it. Let him pull out. Look at this monster! Tornado. Get up there, get right behind him. You're good. Look at this thing! Holy cow, this thing is massive. Okay, follow Robert wherever he's going. Look at this massive beast.
How far is it away?
Probably about maybe a mile from what it looks like.
Which way is it going?
Heading out towards this way where we're heading to.
It is?
Yeah. Look at the vortices inside of it. You can see multiple vortices.
Yeah, I see that. After those two go, you'll be clear. Looks like it's lifting. You're good. Hurry up, speed up there, get to them. There it goes, just like that, gone.
No, it's still there.
Yeah, I know.
Lean back just a little bit for me. Yeah, cool.
Rain wrap now.
Yeah, it is. Already got debris falling down.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Yep.
Debris in the air.
Where you want to head to?
Hold on.
It's about to be completely rain wrapped in a second. Holy crap, that was 10. That's a big sheet of 10. Come on, rain, go away. We got debris falling down everywhere right now.